Hi everyone, I'm Alex, one of the product managers here at Twingate. I'm excited to share that Twingate now supports adding tags to resources. As someone who manages your network, you know a lot about your resources. You know where they are, what they do, who owns them, and so much more. With resource tags, you can now add these attributes to your resources. Tags add context to a resource, making it easy to know where it lives or what team owns it. Tags make it easy to organize and manage a large number of resources within your network. When you need to find specific resources, you can quickly filter using resource tags. For example, you can search for resources owned by the databases team that live anywhere other than US West 2, that are part of your latest project, or some combination of all of these. Tags are available not only in the admin console, but also in our API and Terraform, making it easy to programmatically manage tags and define them within your infrastructure as code. For example, you can pull in tags that you've defined in your cloud provider directly into Twingate. Let's take a look in the admin console to see tags in action. Tags are displayed on multiple surfaces, including the resource detail page. Here, you can see a list of all the tags on this resource. You can easily add or edit tags by opening the Resource Edit modal and navigating to the tag section. Then, add a tag by typing out its key and value. We'll automatically suggest keys and values based on tags on other resources. You can also delete tags from the same surface. Tags are also shown in the Resources tab as a column in this table. To quickly find specific resources, filter by tags. Navigate to tags and select which keys and values you want to use in your filter. In this case, I'm going to look for resources in the production environment, owned by the analytics team, that live in US West 2. Once I save my filter, we'll only see resources that match these tags. Finally, let's take a look at our API. All of our resource endpoints have been updated with tags, making it easy to manage tags programmatically. Tags are also supported in Terraform, where you can tag resources as you define them. Our Kubernetes operator will also import Kubernetes labels directly into Twingate. As always, for more information, including restrictions on tags and suggested tagging strategies, take a look at our documentation. We're excited to see how you organize your network with tags. If you have any thoughts or there's anything else you'd want to use tags for, let us know.